Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to make the simple login form with validation using csharp. So let's open up the csharp form. So you type Visual Studio 2022. If you are not installed Visual Studio 2022, you have to install it. Okay. Click Create New Project. Select csharp, Windows Application, Desktop. Here I'm going to select the Windows application, this first one. Okay, I'm going to go along with this one. Format. Okay, so click on this. Next, you have to give the name as login. Hit next button. You have to wait until the project has been created. Here form has been created successfully. Now what you are going to do is, here I'm going to, this is the property, this is the solution export. I'm going to go to the tools. Here I'm going to drag one panel. So you type on the toolbox panel, drag and drop it. This panel I'm going to fit above, like here. You have to place it the right position like this. Okay, so this position, right click, properties. If you want to change the background color of that, here we have to have a black. It would be perfect for me. Okay, so here after that you have the title. I'm going to give as login. Press enter key. Title has been changed. After that I'm going to drag one another label, drag and drop it. This label I'm going to change the name as login for. Press enter key on your keyboard. I have to increase the font size little bit bigger. Bold 16 20. It would be enough. Let's change the color of it. Foreground color I'm going to change it as black. Okay. Font size I'm going to elect it as 26. It would be enough. Okay, perfect. Now what you're going to do is, after that I'm going to do the simple group box. Drag and drop it. Here also name it as login. I'm going to drag the label. This one I'm going to name it as username. You write email. Select this one. I'm going to change the foreground dash with bold to 16. Okay, 16. Or if you want to change it as little bit smaller, 14 would be enough. Okay, 14 would be enough. So I'm going to drag the text fields, text boxes, drag and drop it, click on it, multi-line, select this one, font size, let's change like this. Okay, after that what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select both, Control C to copy, Control V to paste and get another copy. You have to, here what you're going to do, you have a password. You have password. So you have to click on this, you have a password. Okay, so let's arrange little bit like this. After that I need a button, two buttons I want to get them. So one is a, so here is one button. Login. with 12, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the cancel. Now we have done it perfectly well. So this button you have to put this one before the button, sorry, this at sign before the button. You can get this look. Okay, you have to put it this one. Actually, simple look. Okay, this one we have a, this is abstract. Here you can see it little bit beautiful. Okay, now let's select this one. When the form is loaded, it would be displayed at the middle of the screen. Click on this center screen, start. I can change it has been displayed as the middle of the screen. Perfect. Okay, it would be perfect. You will be able to write it. Now what I'm going to do is here, double click on this login button. Before that, I want to name this one as, click on this, I'm going to name it as, you have to go to the name property. Here you have to give the name, it's a meaningful, txt email. You have to do it as a camel case. This is the efficient way for starting from the simple, after that capital. This is the efficient way. Press enter key on the keyboard. Click on this password field as well. Select this one, txt password. Press enter key. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, we have a email and password. Here we have a login button. We have to make the validation. First one we have to check it. First one we have create the variables. String, both are string. Email, comma, password. Okay, so here this one should be string. You have type string. This one you have to get this one. After that, we have to make another validation. So the password field, this one should be not the ordinary text field. This is the password text field. So there is a property called password char. We have to make this one as a asterisk. Now we have, when someone type it has been hidden type. Okay, this one should be the asterisk. Okay, this is the things we have to do it. So we have created the two variables, email and password. Now I am going to equal into the relevant text field. So email equal int.pass, you have to convert them. You have to write txt email dot text. Okay, sorry, we don't need them. This both are string, right? Okay, no need that to convert them. Password field also we have to write equal txt password dot text. Okay, now what is the text? You have to type on the email. It is assigned the email variable. What is the password you type? It assigns the password variable. Now I am going to make the validation part. So if email equal into blank and password equal into blank. Now what I am going to do is not okay. If the email and password both are fields are blank, we have to display the message box dot show. You have type the message which is a blank not allowed. Okay, blank not allowed. Okay, after that we have to put the validation, else if but make the validation email, this email dot equals this line. Okay, if email text field email Here not equal, you have to type end with, and with this, otherwise you have to type this message box not correct, email not correct, correct format. You type and with, you type like these two things, and this email at, it consists of and with this and this, otherwise it won't work. Okay, after that you have to check it there, else if username and password. Okay, so you have to type the username and password. You have to write this one trim, this is must, this is also the trim, leave as it is, no problem. So to email, the email equal into csharp at this not and at this one, okay, and sign at gmail.com. This is the email ID, and password equal 123. The message should display login success, otherwise message would be display login failed. That's it. Now let's run and check. Again, if it is a blank not allowed, if both the text field are blank, you have type the correct, not correct email address and password, login failed. This one should be displayed. If you type jr at, so here gmail wrong, no problem. So you type gmail.com password, you type the correct password, login success. Very simple. Okay, so very simple, you have to do it this one. Okay, so these are the simple validation part. You have to check this all the validation part. Okay, I hope you guys understood the things well.